Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a path that avoids scanning, an Android emulator or an authorized business API. Once you pick one, make sure your phone number can receive SMS codes. That replaces QR verification. Install the emulator now or collect required business credentials. Make sure your desktop meets minimum specs and you have temporary admin rights. You do this because SMS registration proves identity directly, while the API is designed for non-interactive access for legitimate business use. Once the emulator is installed, open it and set up a fresh Android instance. Allocate enough RAM and storage. Install WhatsApp from a safe APK or Play Store, then register with your phone number and enter the SMS code you receive. This logs you in without scanning a QR. If using the business API, follow registration, complete business verification, then provision your number and API keys. Once provisioned, you can send and receive messages via a server endpoint. Both routes let you operate. Finish by securing the environment. Set emulator locks or harden your API keys and restrict access. Test sending and receiving messages to confirm reliability. If SMS codes don't arrive, make sure there's no carrier filtering, try a different network or request the code again after a short wait. Also verify the number format. For API issues, consult server logs, refresh tokens, and confirm the number is provisioned and not in use elsewhere. This ensures continuous access without QR scanning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.